Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Virus. I am Subham Kistri. In this session, we will learn more about forms control in HTML. Checkbox control. Checkboxes are used when more than one options are required to be selected. They are created using HTML input tag, but type attribute will set to checkbox. There are various attributes for checkbox control. First one is type. It indicates the type of input control, and for checkbox control it will set to checkbox. Second one is name. It is used to give a name to the control which is sent to the server to get the value. Third one is value. The value that will be used if the checkbox is selected. Fourth one is checked. Set to checked if you want to select a value by default. Now open your text editor and write here HTML head title, give a title here, close title tag. Now close head tag, open body tag, set. Okay, now write here form. Now write subject. Write here input type equals to checkbox. Now write name equals to maths, value equals to on. Then write maths. Now close input tab. This math text will display on web page. Now copy this, paste, again paste, again paste, and change it to physics. Right here physics, change it to chemistry. Right here chemistry, change it to bio. Right here biology. Now close form tag, close body tag, and close HTML tag. Save it. Now open this form.html. See, we have a field subject having 4 values: math, physics, chemistry, and biology. You can choose more than one option here. See, here we are able to choose all 4 options, or only 3, all 2, or only 1. Okay. Now radio button controls. Radio buttons are used when out of many options just one option is required to be selected. They are also created using HTML input tag, but type attribute will set to radio. There are various attributes for radio button control. First one is type. It indicates the type of input control, and for radio button control it will set to radio. Name. It is used to give a name to the control which is sent to the server to get the value. Third one is value. The value that will be used if the radio button is selected. Fourth one is checked. Set to check if you want to select a value by default. Now open your text editor, remove this extra space. Now write here gender, and write input type equals to radio for radio button, name equals to gender, value equals to male. Now write mail, which will appear on web page. Now close input tab, copy this and paste here, again paste here, write here female, here also female, either other, here other. Now save it. See, here name must be same in all radio button. Okay, now save it and run it, refresh it. See, write here one BR for change the line. Now refresh it. Yes. Now choose male, female, other. You can choose only one at a time. This is because of radio button, but here in checkbox you can choose more than one option at a time, but here only one at a time, either male or female or other. Okay friend, in this session we saw about checkbox control and radio button control. In next session we will see more about forms tag. Thank you.